Greetings, Fenol The Great. Sign up, subscribe, share, do it all. How to use the present moment to attract money. Yes, you can use the present moment to attract money. Where are you right now? Are you at home? Are you in the park? Are you at work? Are you on your desk? Wherever you are, be there totally. Pay attention to what's going on around you. Pay attention to people who are talking. Pay attention to the activities that are happening around you. Once your attention is full in the moment, in the present moment, you are able to spot the opportunities to make some money somehow. There is always someone who needs your help. There is always somebody somewhere who is looking to be helped by you. And in return, they might give you some money, or they might share love with you. This is how you can use the present moment to attract money. Most importantly, it's not that you need to attract money in the present moment, but what needs to happen is that you need to have your attention right here, right now, wherever you are, always in the present moment. Not one piece of dust should fly by without you noticed it. This is your space. In this space, nothing should rise in it without you notice it. This is how you can use the present moment to attract money. Fenol The Great. See you in the next video. And a peace to you and your loved ones.